Sumayad siya sa something. Ayan o, kahit nakaano na, hindi naman siya nasira. Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of Tiger Garage. So, another sunny day. May dumating na naman tayong client. So, pa-weird yung car natin dito. This is a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. So, anong papagawa ni client? Number one, papapalit siya ng gulong. Actually, satisfied si client sa Ceylon Tires kasi, halika. Ayan, makikita mo, sumayad siya sa something. Ayan o, kahit nakaano na, hindi naman siya nasira. So, Ceylon Tires is actually a very affordable na okay yung quality. It's very worth the money. So, that's one. Another thing, syempre, papachange si client. PMS and everything. And then, another important thing, pasok tayo sa loob. So, upon starting your car, ang makikita nyo actually is yung kanyang tire pressure system. So, error yung isang gulong. It's either nasira or low-bat or something. So, it's a 2015 car. Actually, malapit na rin siya ma-low-bat. Pero, ang gusto ni client is ayusin lang yung isang tire niya na wala ng signal. Paparepair ng client. So, as I always say, wait till see. Let's go! Alright, natapos na yung mga ginagawa natin. So, number one, bago na yung gulong niya itong sarap, makikita nyo. Special request pala ni client, ayaw niya na yung white letter wall sa labas. So, nilagay namin dun sa loob. So, pure black na lang dito sa gulong. And then, ang pinaka-importante is yung kanyang TPMS sensor. So, tingnan natin. So, ayan. Pag start natin, makikita nyo, wala na siyang TPMS sensor yun. Lahat yan may signal na. So ayan, if you guys are interested in this service or this item or any other of our services item, just give us a message and let us make it happen. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you next time. Goodbye!